What's up, y'all? It's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, trying to hit these take profits and price targets. So, I want to show an example of, well, this is a live trade, and I want to show an example of how not to trade. You know what I'm saying? Because this here is a what I consider impulse trade. It's like when you trade in, or sometimes traders they run into this mental state of they have to be in a trade all the time. You know what I'm saying? So this is what happened to me today. Let's see. So I entered the trade around, this is AUDUSD, right? So I entered the trade. I'm gonna explain why I entered this trade, right? So first let me pull out the US dollar, because I always work off the US dollar chart when I'm taking a trade, right? So what time was it? It was 9:30, and I was looking at the chart and I was seeing a lot of these wick rejections right here coming up, and it was hitting the, what is that, the R3, right? We also had the volume point of control line, which is the green line right here. And we had these moving averages and stuff here, so we was getting some rejection on the move up, right? So now this is the direction of the trend, right? The trend on the US dollar now is for the immediate, it's moving down, but the immediate trend right now is up. It's pushing up, right? I look at these wick rejections and I'm thinking to myself, yeah, this is gonna reverse, right? So when I see it do this big red candle right here, I was like, yeah, that's it. It's gonna reverse now. You know what I'm saying? Let me make that a little bigger. Let me pull out the arrow. Right? So I'm looking at this and I'm like, yeah, it's about to reverse, right? And push down. So if I'm trading AUDUSD, if this pushes down, that means AUDUSD is going to push up, right? So I'm saying, yeah, this is looking good for a buy on AUDUSD, right? So let's go to AUDUSD. Let's go to that chart right now. So boom, right? I'm looking at the US dollar chart and I'm seeing that big red candle. I'm like, yeah, right? I'm about to jump in this buy trade. So look at it, right? At 9:30, the same time we have that push up. We have this rejection right here, right? Of this level, and then we have the push up, right? Let me pull out the arrow again. So boom, we have this rejection off of this 200 moving average. Push back up, and then we had this push up candle here, the blue candle, right? So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna jump in this trade. This is a reversal right here, right? So I take the trade, and this is what happened. Boom. This is the next candle. Then we get this doji. Then we get this next red candle. And luckily we hit the S4, right? And then we start doing a little rejection. We pushing up. Again, we pulling back. It's in a kind of consolidation below my entry, right? So right now I'm in the red, right? This could drop any minute and just take me out. And the worst part about it is I took a large size position, right? So all right, let me break this down, right? If AUDUSD is moving down, why am I in a buy position over this one candle? That shit don't make no sense. You know what I mean? That's how you lose money. The trend is moving down. Why am I in a buy position? This could just be a bull flag congestion area to just dip off lower. Right? So this is the kind of stuff you shouldn't do. Because now all we're doing is rejecting off of my price area. my entry area, right? You see that's the roof now. My entry area is the roof. All the action is below in my loss zone. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to share that with you, man. This is not the kind of trades you want to take. I should be looking for a sell, right? If I sold here, let's say I sold here, I'm still good. This is still looking good as a drop off, right? And this could still go in my favor, but this is not a good trade setup. Excuse me. Yeah, this is not a good trade setup. So, trade with the trend. You know what I'm saying? We in congestion, we're going back and forth, but the trend is down. This immediate trend here, multiple wick rejections on the top here, price pushing down, expect it to go further down, right? Don't look for a buy. That shit don't make no sense. You know what I'm saying? And it's caused by this urge or desire to be in a trade all the time. That's how you lose money in the market. You know what I'm saying? You can't be impulsive. You gotta work off of your proper setups and stuff like that. And this is not even one of my setups. I don't even trade reversals and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? This is my setup. Actually, what it's doing right now, this is kind of my setup. From the congestion area to either break up or down. And preferably I would look for this to break down. You know what I'm saying? The only thing could save me right now in this trade is if we reject around this area on the US dollar and pull back down. Then the AUDUSD is going to pull up. Alright, y'all. So I just wanted to share this this horrible trade. I think I'm gonna title this "How Not to Trade AUDUSD." And yeah, hopefully you learn something from it, right? I might have to pay for it. Alright, y'all. Peace and blessings.